How long does it take to receive compensation from uninsured motorist funds? Have you ever wondered how long it takes to get compensated if you are in an accident with an uninsured driver? Understanding this process can save you time and stress. Let's break it down. First, let's clarify what uninsured motorist coverage is. This part of your auto insurance policy protects you if you are in an accident caused by a driver who does not have insurance. If the other driver is uninsured, you will file a claim with your own insurance company under this coverage. Now, the timeline for receiving compensation can vary quite a bit. On average, most claims are settled within 3 months. However, this is just a general guideline. The actual time frame depends on several factors. For example, how quickly you report the accident can make a difference. If you notify your insurance company promptly, the process can move along faster. The complexity of your injuries also plays a role. If your injuries are serious, it may take longer to gather all the necessary information. The amount of evidence needed is another factor. If there are disputes about who was at fault, this can slow things down significantly. In some cases, if there are serious injuries or disagreements, the process can take 6 months or even longer. So, what does the process look like? First, you need to inform your insurance company about the accident and that the other driver is uninsured. Most policies requiring this notification within a reasonable time frame. After you file the claim, the insurance company will start an investigation. They will review police reports, witness statements, medical records, and other evidence to determine the extent of your damages and whether your claim is valid. During this phase, they will also assess your medical bills, lost wages, and other costs related to the accident. If the claim is straightforward and the damages are clear, it may move faster. However, if there are disagreements about the compensation amount, or if the insurance company thinks your injuries are not as severe as claimed, negotiations can slow things down. Negotiation is a normal part of this process. Your insurance company may offer a settlement, but the first offer is often lower than what you might expect. You or your attorney can negotiate for a higher amount, but this back and forth can add time. If an agreement cannot be reached, the case might go to arbitration or even court, which can extend the timeline significantly. In some states, there are uninsured motorist funds or programs run by the government to help victims when the at-fault driver has no insurance and the victim lacks uninsured motorist coverage. These programs often have their own rules and timelines, which can be longer than dealing directly with an insurance company. To make the process smoother, keep all documentation related to the accident and your injuries. Respond promptly to requests from your insurance company. If things seem stalled, consider consulting an attorney who specializes in auto insurance claims. Having legal representation can sometimes speed up negotiations and help ensure you receive fair compensation. While the average time to receive compensation from uninsured motorist funds is around 3 months, many factors can influence this timeline. Being prepared, organized, and proactive can help you navigate the process more smoothly. Always review your policy to understand your coverage limits and what is included, as this will affect how much compensation you can receive and how quickly your claim can be resolved.